Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Risky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Delia C, and today I'll be doing a drugstore makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm super excited because honestly this is where I buy my makeup. Like, I get my makeup from the drugstore. Before we get into this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video you'll be notified. With that being said, let's get into this video. So guys, I already did my brow off camera. I have a video on how I do my brow, so if you're interested you can check that out, but I will tell you guys what I use. And I use Kiss Professional New York brow pencil in dark brown. Now I am just gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid and just blend that out. Now that I have my concealer all blended, now I'm gonna take my NYX eyeshadow in Dancer Tights, and I'm just gonna put it right above my crease and use that as a transition color. I am gonna take my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Bright, and I am going to use this orange color, and I'm just gonna dip that in, and I'm just gonna put it above the crease also. So I'm just gonna pat it on. Now I am gonna go in with the Nude Maybelline palette and use this brown color here, and I'm just gonna put it right in the crease. Now I am going to take the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn again, and I'm just going to create like a cut crease. Now that I cut my crease, guys, I am going to go in with my NYX eyeshadow in Fireball. Now that I pat the eyeshadow on, I am going to go back in the Nude palette by Maybelline, and the same dark color that I used in my crease, I am just going to put it right on the corner of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Frostbite eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna put it in my inner tear duct. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Great Lash in Black is Black, and I'm just gonna apply it on my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner, and I'm just gonna line my eyes. I'm just gonna go back with the same Maybelline palette right here, and I'm just gonna take that same dark brown, this one right here, and I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner because I did the eyeliner and I didn't do a wing, so I need to just cover that up a little bit. Now I'm gonna put on my eyelashes. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Soft and Dewy Foundation in 330. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm just gonna highlight my face. Now I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast, and I am just going to use that to contour my face. So guys, I have two drugstore powder that you can set your face with. I have NYX matte finishing powder, which is this one, and I also have my go-to Airspun loose face powder, which is that one. This will be my first time using the NYX powder. It's showing up a little white. Ooh, I don't know if would like this powder. Now guys, I am gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution HD powder contour, which is this, and I am just gonna use this brown color right here. I'm gonna go in with my Airspun powder because I'm really not feeling that NYX powder. It's so chalky. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna put it right here where I contour to get like a sharper look. Now guys, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray, and I'm just gonna set my face. I'm going to be using two blushes today. I'm going to use my NYX Ombré blush in Nude to Me, and also my favorite NYX blush, Bitch Babe. So I'm going to be using those two blushes. So I'm going to go in with Bitch Babe first. I'm going to go in with the Ombré blush, Nude to Me, and this is it. It is so pretty. Now I am going to go in with my highlighter, and this is my favorite drugstore highlighter. It is Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. Holy grail. Like, if you watch my videos, you can see I always use that highlighter. The best drugstore highlighter, hands down. The best. So I'm just gonna go back with my Nude Maybelline palette, and the brown that I used before, I'm just gonna take it and put it right under my eyes. Color that I put in my inner tear duct, I feel that is not popping enough. So I'm just gonna go back with that color again, but this time I'm gonna wet my brush so the color can pop. I'm just gonna take my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream and the color 21, and it's called Transylvania. And I'm gonna apply that on my lips. I'm gonna take a lip brush and I'm gonna line my lips first with that lip color. So guys, this is my finished look. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video.